Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $1,000 instantly with this new website. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So, you know what you need to do? Do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And hit that like button. It's going to really help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to go viral. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. And once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 7,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you this method. So let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is ScreenLift. So to get to this website, you're going to type in screenlift.io. And it says here, the first screen that pays you. And you'll click here to start. Now, this is how it works. So number one, you're going to customize your first screen. Personalize your first screen with our many unique features. And here the features on here. So they got a lot of little features you can put on your first screen on your phone. So number two, all you're going to do is just use your phone, guys. So just use your phone as usual. So whatever you do on your phone on a daily basis, just continue to do that. And what it's going to do is it's going to accumulate what they call lifts. And once you accumulate those lifts, you're going to get paid just like this. So number three, get paid when you open your phone. So earn lifts each time you open your phone and cash out for real money. And the only way you can cash out, guys, you got to have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you go to paypal.com, sign up. Doesn't take but a few minutes. Now, if you don't want the cash, I don't know who wouldn't want the cash, but if you just want gift cards, you can also get Google Play gift cards or Amazon gift cards. So, now let's scroll down here and read one of the testimonies. So this one right here, it says, I have been using this app for 2 months now, and I have now made over $40 for simply using my phone like I usually do. So guys, right here, they're telling you can get paid some money, guys. This is not a scam. This is a legit website. And you see this person only been using for 2 months and he already got $40. I know that's not a lot of money after 2 months, but it all depends on how much you use the phone, how much you use your phone, how much you open it up and get that money. All right, guys, so they do have an app. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to the app so we can look at the rating. So let me go over there right now. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up the app. So the name of the app is Screen Lift Earn Cash Rewards. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.7. Now in the past I have said a good app has to have 4.0 stars. But if it's close to 4.0, it's still a pretty good app. The only reason why it's probably at 3.7 is because maybe it was an update on the app. So it might have little glitches here and there. But there's a lot of people are downloading this app. So long as it's doing what it's supposed to do, which pays you the money, then you're good, guys. You're good. So that's all I'm going to say about this website or this app. And to get to this app, if you want to just go ahead and download the app, again, go to Screen Lift Earn Cash Rewards in the Google Play Store. All right, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. Now, guys, please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Because you know why? I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. One more thing I want to do before I end this video is do a shout out. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. And please keep watching all my videos, hitting that like button, and sharing my videos. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Keep watching my videos. Keep tuning in. Help me get to 7,000 subscribers because I want to give away this free money very, very soon. So help me get there. We may not get there by the end of this month of August. So let's get there the first week of September. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos. I think you're going to like them. Till then, peace and always have a prosperous day.